Let's talk about 7 important root vegetables, which are very important for reversing and preventing disease, and also important in case of emergencies like earthquakes, fires, and all kinds of things like tornadoes and things like that. This is important.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor. For 34 years, let's get everybody healthy. Like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please tell other people. We have so many sick people now. They can get healthy watching these. Today I want to talk about some root vegetables which are really important and will actually change your wellness. There's no doubt about it. And a lot of people don't eat them in general. And it's very important to eat these and also have them on hand in case, there's an earthquake, a fire, or, a tsunami or something else happens. These are important to have in your yard or have somewhere else. I'm going to start out with number 7. I'll work our way to 1. They're most important. And also at the end, I'm going to talk about why it's important to have these for, catastrophic things happening. That's important. Number 7, I talk about really fantastic potatoes. These happen to be finger potatoes that we have around. And they're organic and really good. They're just yummy and all kinds of different things. Soup, stews, casseroles, everything. I highly recommend little finger potatoes. And they're just so creamy. But the Irish have lived on potatoes forever. And lots, Peru, they use their potatoes for everything. They have lots of nutrients in them and good calories, especially in the cold countries. They do a fantastic job of keeping you warm. They lower your cholesterol. They lower your inflammation. They help you with obesity. All kinds of different things. Help with getting your body extremely healthy. Fiber and proteins. And they do a great job of all kinds of compounds that actually keep away diabetes also. So potatoes in general, I don't care what they are very important. And like I said, there is whole groups of people around the world who have survived on potatoes. They are very important. Number 6 is yams and sweet potatoes and that family in general. And they are basically, in a lot of studies, show them as a medicinal food. And they have a lot of anti-cancer abilities, anti-diabetic, lots of antioxidants and phytochemicals in them to keep you healthy. Sweet potatoes are amazing. The next one is the good old radish. I talked about this the other day. Radishes are amazing. These little red ones are super, really fantastic. Good for the liver, as I talked about the other day. Good for, new studies show they help with anxiety. So if you have anxiety, you want to eat your radishes for sure. I don't care what kind of radish it is. Also, it helps to keep away cancer and so many other things. Radishes are amazing. The next one is rutabagas and turnips. They are lower in calories. Average rutabaga has 107% of your vitamin C needs, and also has some potassium and magnesium, calcium, vitamin E, and they're just good food. And we'll talk a little more about rutabagas and turnips a little later. They are very important in hard times. That's for sure. Red beets. They open up with nitrous oxide to open up your blood vessels, lower your blood pressure in general. That's a big plus, and it helps to keep away cancer, anti-cancer, as far as preventing cancer. Also, lots of antioxidants, lots of anti-inflammation agents. Also, really good for lowering your blood lipids and help to keep away obesity and lower that blood sugar. So red beets are amazing, and you see all your athletes eat a ton of red beets every day. They are great, something you pull out of the ground and snack on. I love to make also a raw, shredded red beet salad with horseradish in it and just a little touch of honey. Really great. Next one is carrots. Carrots are a vitamin in the skin. I've had little kids that couldn't take breast milk or, formula of any kind, put them on carrot juice. And one in particular is 28 years old, and he's doing fantastic. He is doing good. It will do you good. A lot of the vitamins are in the skin itself. All kinds of phenolics, carotenoids, beta-carotene. In general, it really do heal the body. Lycopene, anthocyanins, all kinds of different kind of wonderful things. And up to 775 milligrams of vitamin C per kilogram also. A lot of people don't know that. Also, they help to prevent urinary stones, and a lot of people don't know that also. And also, it really reduces your risk, studies show, of any type of disease. So, eat your carrots. Really good. Number 1, garlic. And I've talked about garlic here 4 or 5 times. Garlic is an amazing, all the Allen family, the onions, the garlic are really good for helping to keep away diabetes and obesity, inflammation, and they're powerful antioxidants, keep away cancer, actually lower your cholesterol, and boost up your immune system, and help protect your neural system and your nervous system in general. Also, really good for the cardiovascular system. All kinds of things. Good old garlic, and you take 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, chop them up and eat them, and they can lower your blood pressure in a huge way. Also, these are great. We had Hurricane Maria come in 2017. All the plant life is gone. All the trees are stripped of leaves. It was like a bomb went off, and I'm telling you, it was so devastating even to look outside. But everything in the ground was fine. If we had roots like we have other roots here like yucca, malanga, we have sweet potatoes in the ground. All those were fantastic. And, the ground is a great insulator from anything above. So also in fires, they'll be fine. Also in, really kind of cold temperatures, but not super freezing, it will actually keep them well also. All kinds of different things. And also you can take things like potatoes, put them in sawdust and put them away in a root cellar, and carrots and that type of thing, and they'll stay and stay and stay. And so if you have some kind of, possibility, and that's a big possibility with storms and fires and tornadoes and earthquakes coming up, and this year is going to be something. It's already started out with a big bang. Keep around a lot of root vegetables. Grow your own. You have a little space, get a community garden, grow some root vegetables. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I've had so many people who had totally eliminated all the good bacteria in their gut, and this creates super havoc in their whole body, and everything gets out of balance. And it's not like you can just take a few probiotics and get back to normal. It is a process, and I've actually gotten these people back to normal, and it takes some work. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God, remember I love you, and every day ask Archangel Michael to protect you. Him and his sword and his wings, he will protect you. There's no doubt about that. And also ask your guardian angel to protect you. And every time I have to get up on the roof, I ask for Archangel Michael to protect me going up and down and being on the roof. And that is important. I love you.